Hello and welcome to Skillwave training. In this short video, I'm going to do a brief website overview just to show you what our website is all about and what offerings we have for you if you want to learn about Power BI, Power Query, and the associated products for Excel. Okay, so here I am at the Skillwave training website. Note the URL, skillwave.training. And I'm currently using Google Chrome. You can use any browser that is widely supported, so that's really up to you. Now this website, like any website, will change from time to time. So what you'll see in the video was what was on the website at the time that I recorded this video, but of course there will be some variations from time to time. But I am going to go through the key sections of the website so you're clear what is available and what you get when you purchase one of our training courses. Now, as you can see, I'm currently not signed in, and I'm also using a guest browser here just so that I can show you what the website will look like when you don't have an account and when you're not currently signed in. Now, you may already be aware, but Skillwave.training is a JV between myself, Matt Allington, and Miguel Escobar and Ken Pools. The three of us are working together on Skillwave.training, and our objective is to provide the best quality training for Power Pivot, Power Query, Excel, and also Power BI. And so the training content that you'll find on our website has been produced by us and also by other people that we trust to deliver high quality training content. And if you'd like to find out more about us, you can have a look at the information available here. Now, we also have a Contact Us button at the top of the page. If you'd like to send us an email, perhaps to find out something about one of our courses, you can click Contact Us and we'll respond to that as soon as possible. Now, we do sell some material here on our website. Of course, we have our training courses, and I'll come back to those because that's the most important content. But we also sell some books. Now, we don't sell every book that's available on Power BI, Power Query, Power Pivot, etc. But we do sell the books that we wrote. So M is for Data Monkey was written by Ken and Miguel. The book Supercharged Power BI and also the Excel version is my book, which will teach you about the DAX language. Power Pivot and Power BI is a book written by Rob Colley and Avi Singh, and that's also a great resource. In fact, all three of these books have the same publisher, which happens to be Bill Jelen, also known as Mr. Excel, and Bill Jelen is the publisher for all of us in these three books. We have a couple of other things here that you can buy or download. The Power Query recipes were produced by Ken and Miguel, and they're standardized ways of solving problems with Power Query. Okay, so there's two more menu items here, shop and courses, but before we do that, I'll just scroll down the page a little bit here. Notice that we also have a link here to see all of our training courses, and if you click here, that will take you to the full course catalog, which you could also access from the menu at the top here. After clicking that link, I'm now here under courses, and these are the courses that at the time that I recorded this video, these are the courses that were available to be purchased. So here's the original courses originally produced by Ken and Miguel. That's the three Power Query Academy courses. Recently, I've enhanced these courses by adding some of my own content, and I'll be continuing to add additional Power Query content to the Power Query Academy over time. There's two other courses here that have been developed by me. So this one here, Data Dashboard using Power BI. This is a course which will teach you how to use Power BI, and it will cover a lot of capabilities that perhaps are not immediately obvious to people. So most people coming from an Excel world, most people benefit from having some focused learning about how Power BI works and how the reporting layer works within Power BI. My other course over here is a DAX course. So this course will teach you how to use the DAX language, and it will get you started with the more technical side underneath the hood of Power BI. It's also applicable for Power Pivot for Excel. This course is being developed by Ken and Miguel and myself. So we'll be developing this course over the coming months. And this course, Dimensional Modeling, is available in two different flavors. There'll be an Excel version and also a Power BI version, but basically it's the same content. We're teaching you how to solve problems using dimensional modeling techniques to structure your data correctly, load that data into either Power Pivot for Excel or Power BI, and then extract the insights using the DAX language. Now, you may be wondering what's the difference between the dimensional modeling courses and the DAX course. This is a pure DAX course. It does touch on the importance of data modeling, but really this course is going to teach you about DAX. This course, or depending which version you take, is much more focused on the end-to-end process of understanding your source data, understanding your business problem, how your data needs to be structured for that particular business problem, how to use Power Query to load the data correctly into the tool, and then how to use the DAX language to extract the insights for that particular problem. And you can read the course overviews to find out more about the differences. And if you'd like to have a look at those course overviews, it's just a matter of clicking on the product. It will take you through, give you an outline of what the course is all about and information on what you'll learn, and that should help you understand. If you have any questions, of course, you can contact us directly and we'll be more than happy to clarify any questions you may have.